Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Hibiscus-Glycerin Drink. So hop on board and let's get cooking. So first we put in a half a cup of hibiscus tea made from cold brew. Then we put in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Now we take our sparkling water, pour it in, stir, and you have a very tasty hibiscus drink. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.